Stop being happy. There are 3 reasons that people are happy right now here in Quebec, and they shouldn't be. The first one is that it's Saint Jean-Baptiste Day. It's June 24th, and people are flying these blue and white flags and being all patriotic and thinking, oh, yay, I'm a Quebecer. This is so great. It doesn't matter that you're a Quebecer. You done zip. You done nothing to make this place better. You know, this place has trees. You know where else there's trees? Ontario. You know where else? In the United States. Oh, and also in Germany. And you know what else we have? We have toilets, and we have roads, and we have houses, we have school buses. Like, all these places are all the same. We have done nothing so great here in Quebec that we should be celebrating. All right? Especially not you. Whoever's watching, you did nothing. You plopped out of your mother's vagina here, and that was it. Right? There's no reason to celebrate that. Celebrate things that matter. Now you're going to say, okay, can I celebrate the fact that there's a Stanley Cup going on right now? It's, I don't know, the 8th final or the 16th final or the quarterfinal. I don't know. Everyone always says, oh, it's the Stanley Cup. So I think, okay, finally it's going to be over. It's like the last game, but it never is. It just goes on and on and on. Anyway, there's some game going on, and the people down the street here all have tents out on the front of the lawn, and every once in a while I hear, yay, because I guess somebody scored. Who gives a fuck? It's a team sport. You did nothing. You did nothing to improve the Quebec, the province here. You did nothing to make that team win. You literally are sitting there with a beer in your hand doing nothing. Okay, don't celebrate that either. Here's a third thing that people are celebrating, and this one is the vegans. Vegans everywhere are rejoicing, so happy, because Canada Goose has decided to stop murdering animals, coyotes especially, and putting them on trim around the hats of their coats. So, or the hoods. So you might be thinking to yourself, but Miss Katie, what's wrong with that? That's amazing news. And yeah, I must admit, when I first heard it, I thought, that's good. But then I thought about it longer. Do you know what else is in the coats? Feathers. Feathers. So these guys are being complete speciesists. They're going to have fake fur here, but they're going to have real feathers inside the coats. So they give a shit about one animal, but not the other? No, it's not okay. There's no reason to be happy today, so just stop smiling. We have a lot of work to do, vegans. We have to get busy. We have to keep on protesting against Canada Goose. We have to get all these people who are sitting in front of their TV screens cheering on these hockey games to get out here and help these poor innocent animals. And people who are walking around with these blue and white flags, put the flag down. There's only one flag that you should be flying, and that is the vegan flag. I don't even know if we should have a flag, though, honestly. It's just a flag. Who cares? But the point is this. Anything else doesn't matter. If the animals all around the globe are suffering, we all suffer. We all suffer because we are all connected in this interdependent web of existence of which we are all part. The oceans, full of plastic. Stop eating fish because they put fishing lines into these oceans. Why are they putting all these fishing? Half the plastic in the oceans comes from fishing lines because of people like you who keep buying fish. Just stop. And then there won't be any plastic in the oceans, or at least not much, half, you know? Okay, we'll work on the other half after. Start by what's on your plate. Only put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart, because peace begins on your plate, so open up your heart. All right? So, to sum up, don't be happy, be frustrated like me, and get busy working. Roll up your sleeves, okay? Stop cheering on your flags and stop cheering on your hockey sports or any other sport and get busy, get working. Write to Canada Goose, make yourself a sign, make shirts that say end the animal holocaust, and get busy to change this world. We are all connected to these animals and they are suffering by the billions, and if you include sea life, by the trillions right now, screaming in horror, terrified, being murdered. Why? So that you can go over there and eat a hot dog and a bun and a hamburger bun and a hamburger and for what? For what? Eat Beyond Burgers. Eat vegan burgers. Eat bean burgers. Okay? No, don't smile. There's nothing to be happy about. Quit it right now. Unless it's your Happy Vegan Declaration Day. If it's your Vegan Declaration Day, that's something to be proud of. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Woo-hoo. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Whether you've been vegan for a lifetime or just a minute, welcome to the club. We're so glad you're in it. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Woo-hoo. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Everywhere around the world, all animals are lining up to thank you for your compassion and for allowing your hearts to open up. Okay, don't smile. I know my singing sucks. But seriously, be vegan, be proud, and get busy working. We need you. Coming up on the screen are going to be a whole bunch of other videos. Click on them. Boop, 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 boop. They're going to come. They're going to come. Just wait. Wait for it. Click on them. Sign up. Subscribe to this account. Whether you're black, whether you're a member of the LGBTQ community, whether you are fat or skinny or old or young, you should be watching this channel and you should be giving me your input, telling me what you are learning. I'm not interested in hearing all about your speciesism and your carnism. I don't care that you ate sausages and bacon. What I want to hear is what you've done to help improve this world for the animals. All right? I salute you, amazing vegan people. See you in the next video.